Greeting, Mark Brown here. As I can see, we're actually into Google Slide right here. Yes. So definitely we want to add a blank slide right here or add a slide or can duplicate. But in Microsoft PowerPoint, we can easily do that. But a lot of person not familiar much with Google Slide. So I'm going to take you through it step by step. Right? If you notice here to the left, you notice this plus right here. If I come right here and click, you notice it add a new slide. But if I want to see different type of slides that I want, definitely what I have to do is click right here, look pointer right here. Notice it give me different type of slides, right? It show me type of slide here, right? So it tell me this different slide that I can actually choose. So if I two content I want, I can click that and I get it. If I go back again, I can actually choose whether if I title alone or comparison and all of that. So this is how you can actually do it right here in Google Slide, right? Similar into Microsoft PowerPoint, right? So this is how you actually do it. So if you have learned something from this particular video here, so thanks for watching. See you in the next.